Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 4 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, Part 4 of 10. People began to panic. The ship was sinking fast. Because, if, as long as you can get on a lifeboat. You are a woman or child. If, in case, provided that Rose promised Jack she would survive. She could. Because, as long as, in case they prepared the lifeboats. There was a problem. If, because, in case passengers could board the ship. They had a valid ticket. Because, if, provided that. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie. Answer key, Part 4 of 10. People began to panic because the ship was sinking fast. Reason, because shows the reason why something happened. You can get on a lifeboat if you are a woman or child. Reason, if shows a condition that must be met. Rose promised Jack she would survive as long as she could. Reason, as long as means provided that. They prepared the lifeboats in case there was a problem. Reason, in case means as a precaution or because something might happen. Passengers could board the ship provided that they had a valid ticket. Reason, provided that means only if or on the condition that. Like, comment and subscribe.